Does your video look soft, blurry, or a little dull in VLC? While VLC can't magically add detail that isn't in the original file, you can improve how your video looks by adjusting a few playback settings. In this guide, I'll show you the most useful options. First, remember that VLC doesn't permanently improve the quality of your video. It controls how the existing video is decoded and displayed. So start by checking the original resolution and quality of your file. A low-resolution video can't be turned into true high-resolution footage just by changing VLC settings. Next, check hardware acceleration. Open Tools, then Preferences, and select Input and Codecs. Find Hardware Accelerated Decoding and set it to Automatic when available. This can help your computer handle demanding video formats more efficiently, especially with high-resolution or high bitrate footage. Now go to the Video section in Preferences and look at the Output setting. The available choices depend on your operating system and VLC version. If you're seeing unusual colors, tearing, or poor playback, trying another video output module can sometimes improve the way VLC renders the picture. For a quick visual improvement, VLC also includes video effects. While playing a video, open Tools and choose Effects and Filters. Under Video Effects, you can experiment with settings such as image adjustment, sharpening, or other available processing options. Keep these changes subtle, because too much processing can make the picture look unnatural. If the picture looks too dark, washed out, or low in contrast, use the image adjustment controls to fine-tune it. You can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and similar settings depending on your VLC version. Yeah, small changes usually look better than pushing every slider to the maximum. If you're watching older footage or interlaced video, deinterlacing can make motion look cleaner. Open the video menu and look for the deinterlace option. You can test the available modes and choose the one that gives you the cleanest result. If your video is progressive, you may not need this option. One more tip, don't stack too many effects. Sharpening, heavy contrast, and other filters can introduce noise or make edges look unnatural. So, aim for a clean and balanced image rather than simply making everything look stronger. And that's how to get better-looking playback in VLC. Check your source quality, enable hardware acceleration, test video output options, and use effects carefully. With a few small adjustments, you can often make your videos look cleaner without changing the original file.